Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to fix an old pair of tongs. I picked these up from a yard sale, just kind of as part of the deal, a whole bunch of different stuff. They are seized. So the hope is that we can throw them in the forge and not have to pull the rivet out, but we'll see. As you can see, they're pretty chewed up. They've seen better days, but they've also seen a whole lot of usage. So here we go. Hey, look at that. We had luck. I'll have to re-rivet them. It's the blacksmith way. Can you fix it with fire? No. Have you tried force? No. Well, let's do that. That'll work. There we go. Beautiful. Let's pretty up those jaws a little bit and we'll take them over to the grinder. Look at that, huh? Well, this will be a short video, I can tell you that much. They feel good too. I don't want to adjust them, I don't want to do nothing. Look at that, they just free flowing. Sweet. So I did notice something in my triumphant bragging here. Can I get it to show up? Right there. There is a crack. It doesn't go all the way around, so we're going to just bust out the welder and just fill that in. And we'll grind this, and we'll grind the end of it, heat it back up, dip it in oil. I gotta say, I am pleasantly surprised. I've had some tongs where you start cleaning them up, and you realize that there's cracks all over them, and there's a reason that people were getting rid of them. These were super easy. So hopefully for you, any tongs that you try to fix up in the future, I hope they're that easy. But anyway, moving on. So I did the weld. I did not show you guys doing the welding. I am not a welder, and I don't pretend to be a welder. So the crack is gone, and now I just have the gaps there from where I didn't properly fill. But, oh well, they're strong. They're not cracking. And we did a grind on them. So, I mean, that way everything's cleaned up. Yeah, they look rough, but I don't really feel like beating on them a whole lot. I'm not sure what shape I want them to be yet. For right now, they just hold flat stock real well. So the next piece, we're going to go ahead and heat these back up and then drop them in some oil so that they're coated and hopefully don't turn to rust right away. And to kind of hide some of the amateur welding. I tell you, welders nowadays. So there they are, nice and blackened up. Can't even see the ugly weld anymore. It's a beautiful thing. Some of the oil didn't quite stick, but it's still darker. So they're nice and flowing. They still have a good, trustworthy bounce. They don't whack the fingers, so that's good. Yeah, I don't know how old these things are, but they're back. So anyway, thank you guys for watching.